Welcome to another video in the Mont Alpi series. Today we're going to be looking at the 470, probably the best 4-burner barbecue on the market. We're going to mix it up a bit and start at the bottom with the casters. Not many people give the casters much of a second thought, but ours are premium quality. They're also attached to the subframe of the barbecue, so they're very secure because we don't want the wheels coming off. Coming out from the casters, we've got the storage compartment. Plenty of room to store away all of your accessories. And neat and tidy behind 2 double-skinned and insulated doors. Located above the doors and below the control panel, you'll find the drip tray. This catches all the fat that didn't get vaporised during cooking. It's very easy to remove and clean. Next, let's have a look at the control panel. Here, you'll see 6 illuminated controls. The blue lights above the controls are fantastic for evening cooking. You'll see 4 controls for the main barbecue, 1 for the back burner, and the last one for the ceramic steak sizzler. In the middle, you'll have the ignition, and of course, no barbecue should be without the bottle opener. As I just mentioned, the ceramic steak sizzler, let's move on to that. It's located under this lid. More than just a side burner, it will reach 800 degrees. So you can really get your steak perfectly seared. If you turn it down, you can put a pan on, boil or fry. The choice is yours. One of the unique features on all Mont Alpi barbecues is the solid granite worktops. On this particular model, we've got 70mm granite worktops. They're easy to clean, they're very durable, and they look good too. Okay, let's move on to the main event. The stainless steel cooking box. All enclosed under this beautiful stainless steel lid. You'll notice it's double skinned for durability and a cleaner appearance, as well as being insulated to retain more heat for a better and more even cooking experience. On the outside of the lid is located the thermometer, a real plus item for cooking roasts or cooking low and slow. Okay, let's lift the lid and get to the main event. First thing you'll notice is the rotisserie, a fantastic piece of kit. If you like rotisserie food, you're going to love this. As your food rotates, the moisture is kept within, so chickens or pork or any of those things, fantastic. Combined with this, we have the back burner, and that gives you a ceramic heat from the rear, as well as the other burners that are coming from underneath. Next you'll notice the interior lights. You might not think you're going to use these, but as the evenings draw in, you're going to be using your barbecue all year. You're going to need the lights. Let's have a look at the cooking grates. On this model, they're marine grade stainless steel and a really heavy gauge. If you're standing in front of the barbecue now in a store, pick them up and feel the weight of them. They're going to last you for years and give you years and years of service. Underneath the cooking grates, the flame taming bars. On the Mont Alpi range, these are double-skinned marine grade stainless steel. The double skin helps to give even heat. Underneath the flame tamers, you'll find 4 marine grade stainless steel burners. They're very hard wearing and should give you years of service. Thanks for watching this video on the Mont Alpi 470. I hope you've enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one.